Hi, we're on Drillist, and we are going to create a new lesson, record something from somebody else, and then try to practice that. So I go to make a new lesson of sound, record or open lesson. Let's record the lesson.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, it's right here. And now I'm going to practice against it. First hear it.
1, 2, 3.
And now I'll try it. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. All right, sounds like I somewhat reasonably can pronounce that. Here are each of your recordings if I wanted to practice it again. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. I seem to have gotten something wrong there, huh? All right. Thank you. I hope you find that useful.